in case hindi nyo pala alam paano mag-gender, sa male rats, meron yung betlog. Meron yan eggs. Sa females, may kita mo meron yang nipples. Sa cervical dislocation, late flat. So, ito siya. Late flat. Pwede kang gumamit ng, siguro yung feeding tongs mo, something sharp. I mean, something long and sturdy. Nalagay mo sa base ng neck niya. And then, in one swift motion, from the base of the neck, I'm sorry. From the base of the neck, and then sa base ng tail, so dito. So, ito, feeding tongs, or anything na sharp. And just like that, normal na nagkikik-kik sila ng foot. Kasi meron pa yung jerking movements. But, as long as marinig mo yung parang, nagkakalat naman ng ihi. But, as long as marinig mo yung parang isang stretch ng buto nila sa likod, you should be good. So, with this, so yun, ganun lang mag-cervical dislocation.